SEMA, the biggest aftermarket automotive show in the world, right here in Las Vegas every year. Guys spend years building cars to show off at SEMA. Counts Kustoms, we show up with something cool every year.
I'm even gonna have my own little outfit, everything. It's gonna be weird.
Oh my God,
Very weird. It's gonna have the tools in the front.
It's what the fuck?
It's crazy. The paint is so impressive.
Thank you.
Attention to detail is.
We try really hard.
Paint job, can you like say how much the paint job would have been if it wasn't sponsored?
Like 40 grand maybe?
But for the level of work,
Yeah.
like I was gonna say more. So that's.
Who knows? I
Yeah,
mean, I
hard
have
to
a
say.
lot of gold leaf in it.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it came out great.
Thank you.
And even the like under trays and stuff underneath. That's.
The gold leaf turned out great. It almost looked like a mother of pearl design.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, you're going for that.
All the nickel cad parts, the manufacturers didn't want us to Cerakote those, so we had to keep the nickel cad gold on there.
Yeah.
And that was the best way for me to incorporate that and not look like off-the-shelf parts.
Vegas is a gambling town. Most people bet with chips. I bet with rides. Look at this. And I always go all in. Wow, what would you take for this? I'm Dan, AKA The Count. And this is my all-star team. My crew, every job's high stakes. And we can't afford to lose. This is Counting Cars.